Life with a water monitor. Nope, 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 don't jump. Thank you. Nope, don't jump. I'm Chicks with Tricks. Welcome to my channel and join me as I video everything that I am passionate about. From reptiles to jet skis, drifting, and basically anything in between. Man, we got so many cool things coming your way. Here's gonna be another time lapse of getting my first rack assembled, and here we go. This looks basically like an empty enclosure because this is Freckles' cage. She's my pied female ball python, and she's got her ceramic heat emitters up there, water bowl, and a bunch of different hides. Currently she's in shed, so she's not out. She's just kind of chilling, hanging out. I'm working on a different enclosure for her as well. She'll probably get put into the PVC cage. This enclosure is for my red-eyed croc skinks. I have 2 juveniles in here. It's got the water section right there, and mossy bank, plants, and food. It's just kind of, I don't know, it looks really nice. I'm quite proud of it. Okay, so moving on. Looks kind of janky, but I've got my tub, extra stuff. We've got some hides that I ordered, more extra stuff, more extra wood. So like I said, everything is a work in progress, so I do have plans. I'm just stocking up on stuff, and honestly, I'm just waiting for the time. My hissing cockroaches, I'll have to, their enclosure is really boring too. I need to work on that as well. A lot of stuff I need to work on. And then this is just kind of like my light rack. It's a lot of extra stuff. I need to organize it a little bit better. It's gotten a little janky. What you doing, dude? And then we've got this cool stick that I got at the last Herp show. It's going to go in Jax's enclosure that's going to be right here. So I hope you enjoyed the little tour. It's not very special right now, but to me, we've lived in this house for about a month, and my reptile room is really coming along nicely. Okay. I've only had this for like a month. Okay. So, I'm in my reptile room right now. It's a little bit more cramped because I have so many reptiles in here. No, I wish I had more actually. But I'm in the reptile room, and I'm about to put my substrate in here. All of Freckles' cage hides and, you know, bits. And then I'm going to put Freckles in there, and then this enclosure will be done. Oh yeah. Okay. There she is. She's a little cold. It's in the middle of the day, and there's lots of lights going on, so she's definitely, you know, a little not unsure of herself, but that's okay. She's such a pretty girl. Say, aren't you? You're such a pretty girl. Jax is about, let's see, he's about 9 months old now? 8 to 9 months old. There we go. Oh, goodness. That was kind of gross. He just like sneezed on me. There he goes. Alright, I've had enough. My arms hurt. These aren't bad, but I have to share my my monitor marks. You don't have to be a cutter to make people think that you're a cutter. You just have to own monitors. It's time for a really quick and dirty reptile room tour. I wanted to do this one because I did the first when we were moving into the house and I was assembling stuff and I was just getting the cages set up. Now this is kind of like the mid-time. I've got everything kind of situated-ish. I need to change some cages, get some more shelves, but I just wanted to video this mostly for some documentation so I can see, you know, the progression. This is March 17th. We've been in the house. We closed on it January 19th, so it's been 2 months now. I just want to show you my reptile room, or rooms. So, which one of these doors is the lucky door? Well, we're going to go in this door first. This is, as you saw in the original Chicks vlog videos or Chicks life videos, this is my reptile room. It's the first reptile room I've had in my adult life and I'm super excited about it. This is little Jax's enclosure. Jax's enclosure does need a lot of work. Over here is my feeders. Got my dubia colony, some mealworms that aren't in the fridge. And then down here are my hissers. So there's Cleo's 20-gallon. On here we have Freckles, my baby ball python. She's in a DIY enclosures cage here. It's dark. She doesn't need, ball pythons are a nocturnal species just like the leopard geckos, so they don't need light. It actually is more harmful than anything. They need heat, but they do not need light. Dun, da, da, da. Cat's waiting outside. Now, only 2 months into living here, I put lizards in another room. I wouldn't necessarily call this room a reptile room like that room is. That one's like 100% dedicated to reptiles. This is kind of the random Ashley room. It's got all kinds of weird shit in it. So this one's gonna be a little odd. It's not gonna look as good, but it's also a work in progress, and that's part of why I'm doing this video. Oh, okay, focus, focus. All right, first, as we walk in the room, we see Ashley's workout stuff that she hasn't been able to touch since she pretty much moved into this place. I have gained 10 pounds because I'm working too much and I don't get any sleep and cortisol sucks. Anyway. So there's the workout thing. Here's my studio that I do a lot of my build videos with, so that's this is kind of a ugly behind the scenes kind of video here. This room's not very fancy. But as you come in, you see all that. The first reptile that you can encounter is Miss Butterscotch. You can see her right there. Oh, kind of see her. Let me see. I can jack up the ISO. There she is. Little Cheeto. My husband actually named Cheeto. Little juvenile. It's a Halloween tiger with fringe. Just a tiny little dude. So there's that. And then in here, we've got these Exoterras. These are a work in progress too. I just actually put them together today, so I don't have all the cage accessories ready. March 17th, this is the reptile tour as of today. This is what I've got going on. A little baby. Cheeto's looking at him like, his food. Focus. Come on, Goober. That's a good tramp. Oh, there's the cat. Is that good? Yeah? Dinosaur. Here's Freckles. She's getting bigger. She just ate last night, so I'm not gonna pick her up. But she's a good little snake. Hanging out in a corner here. There's the juvie skinks enclosure. Still got the plants that are actually growing. Here's my adult skink enclosure. You can see that they've kind of made it their own. Plants growing. Everything's still looking real good. This little lady's cleaning day. She's actually come a long way. Hello, little girl. Hello, sweetie. Hi. Hello. Little smiley face on her head. There she is. Where you going, girlfriend? This is Cleo. No, Cleo. Look at that little face. So cute. Look at you. Okay, this next creature, I'm super proud of my little collection here. But I'm gonna preface this with, these are Madagascar hissing cockroaches. So if you are freaked out by cockroaches, you might want to not watch this. It's ours. What up? Alright, watch this. Oh, more hissers! So many. But they're actually very clean and don't stink. See if I can make it hiss. Come on. Somebody say something. There we go. Now we gotta take her. You're still trying to get out. More over here? Oh yeah. Oh wow. That's a lot. This is like straight up, we got some Men in Black going on right here. Hissers. Started out with 4. Okay, this room is my pride and joy. It's a little bit disorganized and dirty right now, but this is my gecko room. They are, like I said, source of an incredible amount of joy and pride, as well as stress. It has been very, very stressful this year, getting this these crested geckos going. I do have some little babies. Got my eggs. Little babies. There. He or she. Don't bother. And then my eggs. Right there. And yeah, this has just been an incredible undertaking. But I'm very, very proud of it.